So, hello everyone, and welcome back here to another trading session here. Finally now today is Monday, the 26th, and now finally back. I've just got my two PR Apex accounts again. Okay, so I've just got all the trading days in now. So today I'm gonna be back on the funded accounts. Okay, so taking it 100% serious, obviously. Yeah, also on the weekend and stuff I did, and then Friday sessions in the end, and then on the weekend, like I'm kind of now like really liking and enjoying correlations. So I've changed my setup a bit. I will be watching very closely the Russell, and yeah, basically like I'll be watching closely the Russell as well, how it behaves regarding the ES and the NQ. So because very often I've noticed like you get free peaks and free looks, which is nice. Here I also have those all those charts in 3 seconds. So I've changed up something about my setup here really. I also took out the pulling and stacking because just my screen, I just need, I need more space now really. But I'm very like, I like this setup here. This is my main screen, okay, like just to let you know. And I do also have the other screen. I can kind of show you if you like. Like I'm also gonna show you my other screen, display capture. Okay, doesn't really work. Okay, I don't know how it works. I'll try to figure it out somehow. On my second screen, basically this is bigger time frame stuff. I have like 5-minute charts, 1-hour charts, with volume profiles on the left, of all three as well. So of the ES and Q and Russell, basically. Yeah, I'll be trading the ES mainly, or mostly like pretty much only trading the ES, but I very closely will be watching the NQ and the Russell for entries as well, because it does give you kind of free peak at times. And for example, now we top ticked the NQ, so I do expect here yes, like to kind of go lower, like at least for 2 ticks. Like we saw this top tick on NQ here, so you kind of get a free peak here, and then I think it's nice because you can grab at least a tick or get out like at break even if you're wrong, and if you're right, then yeah, I think like it maybe gives me edge. I'm not sure yet 100%. Oh shit. Also, like I've just noticed I need to put my camera somewhere else here really. Like now I have again this problem with the camera. I don't want to like really remove it completely, because I don't know, I think just it makes it more personal having my camera on. Also, you can kind of see my emotions and stuff better when I'm tilting and stuff like this. Okay, so yeah, and when I'm always like looking to the left here, okay, like you do see me very often look to the left on my stream. That's just basically because I have my other screen there, okay. And I'm gonna, now that I don't have the 4000 tick and the 4000 tick and the 30-second chart like I used to up there, okay, and I've only here this very compressed 30-second charts, I do have to more regularly like look on to the left screen here, because I have all this stuff now in the left, okay. So basically that's it, okay, from me. Like we have 13 more minutes till the open. I will be 100% focused today, okay, so not like the last week where I kind of didn't really take it 100% serious, obviously. But now that I'm funded again, there's like no excuses whatsoever. I'm gonna like take it 1000% serious, okay. Like every tick counts, like literally every tick counts, okay. Like now we're kind of breaking down on the NQ and the Russell, so we are at the low node on yes, but I'm just gonna need one more second here, guys. So I'll be checking something real quick. So yeah. So now we have this here. Just so I would kind of like, to be honest, what I would really love as well is I would love to have hi Gulu. I would love to have like I need a bigger screen basically. Like don't know why and when I get it, but like I basically need a bigger screen. As simply as that, because I would love to have on those DOMs here. I would love to have also like the same footprint like here, basically. Okay, I would love to have these additional curves also on the Russell and on the NQ. But if I put them there, like I just run out of space of my stream reel of my screen really. So the queues are really breaking down now. Let's see. So the queues are really breaking. So we did also break this low note here. So I do expect it to come down here. Also, most important thing, like always, have your coffee with you. Okay, like coffee definitely gives you edge in trading. So I don't really know. Like I'm not really satisfied now looking at the stream where my camera is, because I do wanna have this here. So I might just, I don't know. Like I really don't where I should put it. Maybe here, but then you can't see my P&L. I get so difficult. Maybe here. Maybe here's better. Hi, Atman. So, well, so my hotkeys are ready. Everything is looking fine. I'm gonna like real quick now before the open switch to sim here and just test all my hotkeys if they're working. Which they're not. Good thing that I checked it. So that's why you always want to check your hotkeys first. Okay. Flat button, try and bid, change. Eh? But it's okay. No, it is like maybe I wasn't. Well, maybe I wasn't in it. Okay. Okay, never mind. Like I wanna enter with mouse anyways, just with mouse. So switching back now. So Now, yes, NQs is pushing higher. Like NQ pretty much broke out here. So Russell's also at the highs. Yes, probably is gonna go as well with it here. But it's not 330 yet, so I'm not gonna take this. I do think it would make sense here if it would make sense to at least retest 90s here. So NQ is kind of struggling here, but I do think NQ is still going higher. It's not usually when NQ tops, okay, like it has to be like a okay, like it has to at least okay. Usually that's not, at least for what I've noticed, looking like a top on NQ yet. We also still have let's see, here we have the point of control, which could pull this trade in. I do think there should be another attempt higher on NQ here. Yes, which would now be like probably a good entry for a long here on the S. But it's pre-market open, and I'm not trading pre-market open here. So we have 6 more minutes. Now like huge block drop on NQ here. So this kind of is breaking down here. Gotta be really careful now on the other markets as well. Also Russell showing some liquidity here in the lows, lots of liquidity, which probably wants to be taken. This looking very short now to me. Now let's see. We're still above point of control now here, and we kind of bottom tick the point of control on Russell. Now we flashing Russell as well. So this kind of still should go lower here. Also, this is not looking healthy on the NQs here. So this looks like it wants to puke further, which will probably drag those the other ones with it. And we have all this liquidity on Russell here, which I think is gonna be taken. So this liquidity here is probably gonna NQ is though really like NQ is really breaking down here and kind of overextended of the others. Like NQ is really shitting itself here. Like, it was a clean top tick here on NQ if you look at this on 30 seconds here. So it's very leading. Like we have 3 more minutes till the open. Yeah, it's only 7:20. I don't know why I can't stream 1080. I've tried, but I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure out how to stream 1080 yet, and I'll try. Like maybe after the stream, like if someone in my Discord like can help me out with if he or someone here in the, or really just someone, really anyone has experience, okay, with OBS a lot or something like that, and streaming on YouTube, like would appreciate it if you kind of help me out on Discord. Just try my Discord and write me. I'd appreciate it, so I can set up. Yeah, I don't know. Like I really don't, but I'm gonna be asking after today's session, because like I got asked this a couple times already and kind of really need to do it. So NQ is really like really pushing here. So if you look as a now Russell also broke down, like it was a pretty obvious trade, like I kinda, so if this would have been past the open, like I probably would have taken this short. I was because Russell was really like looking to get this liquidity here, or not trading towards this liquidity, and NQ obviously was tanking anyways, and yes was maybe was just hanging around here. So that's kind of good short entry here. Kind of lots of liquidity building here on NQ. Now ES is pushing the lows here. ES is really breaking down. Let's see. Next stop on ES, probably 80s here. Unless we get a real good bottom tick here, but I do think like next stop is the 80s here on ES, but now we're just about to open. So let's see, like everything changes on the open. Thank you. Ja? Doch, bin ich. Ja, komm, es sind voll viele da. Passt schon. That's an unfortunate phone call here. So let's see, we're here at point of control. I wanna like, unfortunately, like I just missed the open here because I had to take this phone call. What can you do? Back at point of control here. Now let's see, Russell is at the highs here. So Russell is really overextended. So Russell is like leading the push here. Russell's really like pushing here. The other ones are just really nowhere near that high. Now let's see if Russell finds support here. Russell does find support here. Like Russell keeps on breaking higher here. NQ is also looking on. NQ is kind of shitting itself now. I'm longing here. Russell is just completely pushing here. Yes, it's just sitting. Now Qs are kind of shitting themselves here. Now if we do break this to the low here, I'm out. Like this is now kind of my stop here. Like this has to go now. Now the Q is pushing here. Qs are pushing. Yes! Nice one to start the day here. What? No, my trade copier. No! No. I did choose the wrong account. Here's leader account. Ah, Jesus. Unfortunately, I just took it on one account here. But it's fine. Oh, that was a nice trade here. Unfortunately, I had the wrong leader account selected here, basically. So I had on my trade copier, I had the 07 account as leader account and the 08 as follower, but I had in my here I had the wrong one, basically. Now we're at the pivot here at 90s. Russell is just ripping here. I really maybe could have held this even. The Qs are still looking very strong here. It still looks like it wants to go higher. Russell also still ripping. So everything still, now we kind of for the first time see some weakness on the Qs here, but still we find immediately a bid here again, so it's probably gonna at least test the highs again here. Very unfortunate that my trade copier taking the full winner here and only on one account. That's kind of annoying, but what can you do? Now you gotta get a little bit careful here, in my opinion. We kinda top tick the S here. In Q is right now we broke. Okay, anyways, never mind. What is Russell doing here? Russell is just ripping, man. All the markets are basically ripping at this point, but I mean Russell is just I mean if you look at this, look at Russell. I mean, yes, obviously, and then Q also, but this is just unproportionally yeah. So we still have buyers here at the highs. So this still does look like it wants to go higher. Russell is just, I mean, look at this. So let's see, now NQ kind of gives in here. But Russell just doesn't care. NQ and ES are struggling now. But that might be a good long. And now Russell also top ticked here. Now you gotta get a little bit careful if you're long, in my opinion. So that was the first top tick from Russell. And now Russell's again pushing higher. So who knows? But this starts to look weak here. Obviously, I don't really want to fade this that much here. Russell's still trying here. Russell's still trying, still pushing. I'm longing here. Just because Russell's still attempting here to go higher. Just gonna trail this here in case we don't break. I'm out. Just taking a small win here. Probably could have held this, but don't know. Like, yeah, I should have held this. Should have held this. Like, there's no reason to pull this trade, but it's fine. Like, no problem. Like, win is a win, I guess. Everything still looks healthy. Like this, and Q's just now Russell kind of shit itself. Q's pushing higher. So, let's see. Russell starts now shitting itself here. Like, gotta be careful now. Gotta be very careful. I think Russell was just leading this push, and Russell is like so overextended here. And basically, like, I think Russell was one of the reasons these other markets just shot up and blew up here. And now Russell is completely falling in for the first time though. Like, kind of bottom ticked here. So now Russell could be getting stronger here as well. This was a bottom tick of this range here. But still, I'd be very careful now with the longs here. It does find buyers again. Yeah. And this would have been a good long opportunity here. Like, after this bottom tick on Russell here, after this bottom tick here on Russell, like, I could have longed the S here for the next leg higher. Ooh, top tick here on NQs. What's Russell doing? Russell's kind of struggling here. Yes, hasn't top ticked yet. So still watching closely here. Russell still going higher. Like, I don't know what Russell doing. I really don't. Let's see if Qs can make a new high here. Yep. And that's also not really a top tick, that's just a new high. So we keep on going higher here. Ooh, no. Now I mean, Qs are like kind of falling in here. Yes, also grabbed a high liquidity, but Russell still looked like it wants to go higher, so no short opportunity yet. Still everything looks long. Like, all markets just still look like they want to go higher. Maybe Q's like a little bit struggling. But we also like reclaimed this top again. Now we're building volume here. So I mean, like, look at this move on Russell. Like, Russell's just going higher. Now they're out of sync again. Now Russell kind of top ticked here. They are dropping here. Might be thinking about shorting here. I'm too late. Let's see. Might be too late here. Now lots of liquidity sitting here. Like, let's see if they want to take this. Or if this is just a spoofing order. Like, why is there a 700 lot sitting? Russell's still pushing highs here. Like, this kind of scares me here. So I want to see if it trades. A big seller, if this trades, like, okay, a big seller is here. Now someone hit it. So someone took this liquidity here. So, and it was also a big buyer take. Looked like I was someone 800, 1,000 lots here. Like a 1,000 lot print here in the 95s. So buyers are still very much interested here, so you don't want to short this. In my opinion, yes. So, but Russell like kind of puking now. Let's see. Would love to see a top tick here on ES for a short. So NQ just top. Nah, not a top tick. Nah, this is just ripping at this point. But Russell is kind of struggling. So either one of two things are happening here. So either ES and NQ are finally catching up to Russell here. Although ES, so like maybe they're rubber, ooh, like now like big sellers fit here. I do think you could try this short here. Trying it short here. Has to fall now though. Like I'm okay with this top tick here. But if it doesn't fall now, I'm out. Okay, need to cut it. Jeez. Stop me out. Yeah, shit. Okay, all markets are pushing. I like shit. Should have tried to get out at break even here, really. I should have gotten out here. When this didn't immediately fall, like I should have gotten out here. Now we had 400s here. But we're kind of running out of bigger buyers here. And as long as Russell keeps pushing, I'm not really like wanting to short this. Q's are struggling. Yeah. True. What was a bad shot? I know. I should have. It was more of a FOMO shot because when I thought I wanted to short it, like it kind of worked for the very short, just 20-second move, and then it was just a FOMO entry. To be honest, like entry was bad, the short was bad. So I'm staying very patient with my next trade now. Everything's still pushing higher here. Kind of think they want to take the 4-4 liquidity here as well. So we do have lots of liquidity sitting here. Let's see now. Okay, it got bought up huge here. No, I don't want to keep on looking for shorts here. Like I'm too short biased right now. I mean, at some point it has to reverse, but I'm just too biased here. Like too much looking for a short too hard here. I don't want to fight this. Like I have to reset myself here. Now Russell kind of pivoted this range here. Q's just pushing higher. Let's see what Russell does. If Russell can break here. Yes, also like everything's giving in a bit. We still see, and now this could be a little small bottom tick here. Let's see. Q, everything's pushing higher. I'm longing here. I'll explain later, hoping to get a fill. Okay, probably bad long here. Very bad long, need to get out here. I need to get out here. Yeah, I should have like maybe bought here. Bad long, bad long, bad long. Was too zoomed in for the. I saw this bottom tick here, kind of, but 12 wasn't really one, and then and then Q's pushing highs again. Not the best one here, like actually a bad one. But let's see 97s here. It's breaking now. This is breaking down. I should have stuck with my short here. Kind of screwed myself here. Now Q's kind of bottom ticked here. Q's bottom ticked. Yes, also found buyers. Russell's pushing highs again. Now this is a long here. But shit. Russell's at the highs again. This is a long, but I don't want to chase it. I want to wait for the pullback. 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 Trying to get a long fill here. This won't fill me. Hoping to get a pullback here into this low node, but probably won't. This looks like it wants to just rip here. This is just going. So it's kind of at the highs again. But they are already pushing highs, so. Q's and Russell right now struggling a bit, but I have the feeling like yes, it's kind of just a little bit delayed here. Like here's liquidity sitting in the 99s, which just got taken. Thing is here, like we haven't really like made a new high on ES yet, but on Russell and Qs are just pushing. So the problem of thing is here for me, like ES should make a new high, but if NQ and ES and Russell fall in first, this might just trying to get in now for a break. Now Russell's falling in here. But Russell now bottom ticked here. If Russell now goes, this should be fine. And Qs is pushing highs. This trade should be fine here. Gonna put my take profit a little bit further away because I do think there are lots of stop above. Now if Russell loses this here, I need to get out. I'm still fine with this trade. As long as Russell doesn't lose this here, this pivot, I'm fine with this trade. Now I need to get out. Ah, shit. Bad entry yet again here, to be honest. Russell's really bleeding now. Qs is still pushing higher. Q just top ticked here. No, claims it. Russell's also turning around. Lots of big selling here. Re-entering here. So NQ just broke. Russell's also looking like it wants to turn around and go higher here. Qs are really pushing. So now but this selling got absorbed here. Like big sellers did sell here, but kind of got. I need to get out. I need. Oh, Jesus, I'm getting chopped up here. Ah, Jesus. So I'm taking a short break now, like I'm making a lot of dumb mistakes here. Like I did see these big sellers. I'm kind of paying too much attention here to the... I'm too focused in on these micro ranges here. No, it's like... No, it does seem like the seller is gone here. Mm. Okay, fuck it. Like I'm so bad today, but I'm getting so chopped up here. Like I gotta stop here. Started to... gotta stop. Gotta stop. I'm getting so chopped up in these micro ranges. Russell's really bleeding here. Now it's going. And we have no longer seller interested here. Okay, as long as it pivots point of control here. Which it does, which it did. I don't really want to lose point of control here. Full stop. Okay, that's it for today. Like, what a horrible day. I gotta stop. Like, I gotta stop. I really do. Like, what a horrible day. Jesus fucking Christ. Like, that's like just awful. Just awful. Oh, I gotta stop. Like, I gotta stop, walk away, turn off the stream here. Like I'm completely tilted, getting chopped up in this micro range here. I gotta stop. I gotta walk away. Taking a break, maybe coming on later again. But this is just horrible now. Okay, see you guys later. Ciao.